Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a quick 10-minute treadmill exercise. You're going to love this one because I've got great motivational content to talk to you while we're doing it. And this 10 minutes is going to go by fast. Let's get started. I'm going to start a warm-up at 2.0 just for about 30 seconds just to get my body warmed up. And then we're going to be increasing the speed. All right, 2.0. Let's get that blood pumping. Feel free to do the warm-up at whatever speed feels comfortable for you. We're just going to be doing this, like I said, for about 30 seconds. Whew, feels good, guys. Feels good. Proud of you for showing up and getting on your treadmill or getting outside to walk or just walking in place in your living room. However you choose to do this 10 minutes, I'm proud of you. All right, 30 seconds has already elapsed. Let's move up. I'm going to go up to 3.0. for my steady walking pace, and we'll do a cool down at the end. Make the most of this 10 minutes. If you want to play it safe, awesome, and just finish out the 10 minutes, go at a speed that feels comfortable for you. But if you do want to challenge yourself, now is the time, because it's a very short, 10 minutes is gonna fly by. So pick a speed that's maybe a little bit higher than you normally go, challenge yourself, see if you can do it. You can always go back down. Ooh, feeling good. All right, guys, like I said, we're already a minute 15 into this exercise. So let's talk about some motivational things that I wanted to talk about with making weight loss and health goals easy. If you guys follow me on Instagram, if you follow me on social media, here on YouTube, I'm always yelling from the rooftops. Let the journey be easy. Let weight loss be easy. Let fitness be easy. Let your health goals be easy. Because that's what I feel like I've created. And I don't want anyone out there to continue to struggle and just feel like their goals are unattainable. Because realize, any goal you have, health goal, you want to get off medication, you want to run a marathon, you want to lose 5 pounds, you want to lose 50 pounds, you want to lose 100 pounds. It doesn't matter what it is. You are fully capable and you are fully worthy of that goal. So, let's talk about 3 tips that you can implement starting today to get this journey to be easy for you, or easier. Let's create as much ease as we can in this journey. Whew, feeling it, guys. So I'm at 3.0. Normally, if I was watching YouTube right here and not making a video, I would probably be at 3.5, but I wouldn't push it for that. That feels comfortable for me, but I want to be able to talk through this for you guys without being completely winded. So let's talk about 3 tips to make this easy. The first one, you've got to create ease with your food. You have to love what you eat. If you don't love what you're eating, or you're depriving yourself so much that you're hungry all the time, it's not going to work. It's not going to be long lasting. It's going to be torturous. It doesn't sound like fun at all. So you want to pick what feels good. What feels good for you? For me, low carb feels amazing because I don't feel bloated. I don't feel that sluggish feeling that comes with when I eat carbs. I know not everyone's like me, but for me, when I eat carbs, I feel so blah. Like I just want to lay on the couch. I don't want to move. I have no motivation. So for me, carbs just don't work. But that's okay. That's what I mean by eat what feels good. If you're a carb person, go for it. There's so many different ways of eating out there. There's something out there for you. You just have to figure out what that is. Whew, we're almost at the 4-minute mark already, guys. We're almost halfway. So awesome job. Now would be the time. If you want to increase a little, bump it up, bump up the speed. Or if it's fast and you've been doing it fast and you feel like you need a little break, come down a little bit. But pick what feels good to eat. How do you eat? When do you eat? What do you like to eat? What makes you excited about food? Do you like trying out new recipes, or do you like making the same thing for a couple of days or weeks at a time and you have no problem with needing variety? Sorry about my air conditioner. It's like behind the screen. So it might be a little loud in the beginning, but now we're good. But how do you like to eat? Are you running around with your kids like me and you eat Chick-fil-A? Sometimes you've got to fit that in. If you are in college and you're in a dorm, you're eating a different way than me. I'm cooking food. You know, if you're going out to restaurants a lot, if you're on business trips a lot, and you're eating out a lot, that's something too. All of that factors into your lifestyle changes and what you need to do to create something you can stick to long-term lifestyle-wise. And also, if anybody does need support or wants that extra help with their meal plans and their macros, I just started offering a service where we can get together and I can help you create the meal plan of your dreams that actually works and fits in your lifestyle. So we sit down and we talk about all of these things. What food you like, what food you don't like. Because isn't it the worst when you're like signing up for meal plans online, paying for them, and they give you this meal plan and you're like, I don't like half this food. So mine are actually customized. So we sit down and we get all that information from you, create the meal plan so you can succeed, reach your goals. All of that is down in the description box if you're interested in that. Grab that. We only have a couple spots available, but that is definitely important. Food should be number one. Ooh, guys, we're at 6 minutes. You made it. Go up or down if it feels good. This feels good for me right now. I can still talk, but I feel like my heart rate is getting up, so that is amazing. So tip number 2, you're gonna wanna follow your intuition. So most of the time, we're following meal plans, we're following someone else's meal plan, we're following diet plans, we're following all these things, but like, what about us? How do you feel? When do you get hungry? Do you like to fast? Do you not like to fast? Are you super hungry today? Or are you not so hungry today? Are you gonna eat less because you're not as hungry? What does your day-to-day schedule look like? And that's what I mean by follow your intuition. Anybody can give you this advice, but then you've got to say, okay, this is how I'm going to implement it. And following your intuition and getting to know your intuition is the single most important thing that I tell all of my clients, because following your intuition can create long-lasting results, and following your intuition is so important for maintenance. So every time I talk to my clients, I'm like, I can't wait. I want to start talking about maintenance because you're going to get there. That's my favorite thing. Maintenance mindset is my favorite, for sure. So create ease with your food, eat what you love, follow your intuition. And number 3, mindset alignment. I bet you guys knew I was going to throw mindset in there somewhere, because mindset is everything. Do you believe that you can reach your goal? Do you? Do you want to lose 100 pounds or 50 pounds or 5 pounds? You know, sometimes the last 5 people get really hung up on that. But do you believe you can reach it? Do you believe right now, what's your ultimate goal weight? Do you believe you can get there? Why? Why not? Realize that that mindset duality, if you believe it and you want it, but then you also don't believe it, that's what's holding you back. That's what's creating your plateaus. That's what's keeping you stuck. So your mindset has to be in alignment. So realize your belief system creates your reality. So how many times have you heard people say, I'm lucky, I win everything? And they do. They win contests and they win scratch-offs and they win cars, I don't know, everything. They just win. They win at the carnival games, you know? They just win because they believe they win. And it really is that simple. Your belief system creates your reality. So why not start believing in you yourself as winning, as being a winner, as being someone who can accomplish their goals. People think they're lucky. People also think they're unlucky. We all know people in our lives who say things like, I always lose. I never win. Everyone else wins the contest, but I don't. That's a limiting belief. That's just a belief you continue to tell. The more we continue to tell it, the more we're going to see it in our experience. So our belief system creates our reality. So start believing in yourself. Start believing in the fact that you can reach your goals. And start believing that you can be maintaining and living your goal healthy lifestyle. You can. Totally. All right, guys, we have 30 seconds left. I'm bumping my speed back down to 2.0. Told you it was gonna go fast. Told ya. Whew, do a little cool down. This feels great. And as always, if anybody would like more coaching with me for mindset and weight loss, all of that is down in the description box below. We've got 10 seconds left. So proud of you for finishing this workout. I hope you have an amazing day. Amazing day. And I will see you guys all really soon with more walking videos. Put your requests for time limits down in the comments. Let me know what you like, short or long. But we're done. We are done. I don't want to fall off the treadmill this time. Slow. All right, everyone. Whoa. Told you. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for walking with me. I'll see you really soon in my next video. Don't forget to comment below if you like the longer ones or the shorter ones. Let me know what you thought of this motivational talk, and I'll see you soon. Bye.